Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to freeze or unfreeze your MX card via app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to freeze or unfreeze your MX card, what you need to do first is make sure you have the American Express app and then you are logged into your account and you have internet on your phone. Now to freeze your MX card, what you need to do first is simply open up the MX application. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then from the options of the card, what you need to do is choose the card that you want to freeze. If you have more than one card, simply swipe left or right or tap the card name at the top and then pick card you want to freeze. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the account option, and then once you tap on account option, here under accounts you will find an option that says freeze or unfreeze card. And then once you tap on that, you'll be sent to freeze card option right here. Now in order to freeze your card, all you gotta do is simply toggle this slider right here to on, and that will freeze your card. Now in order to unfreeze your card, all you gotta do is just simply tap on this toggle once again, and that will unfreeze your card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. This video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.